Hi. Now in this lecture, we will create a password dictionary for cracking Wi-Fi password. We complete a handshake capture with this network in this previous lecture. And now we are going to create password dictionary to brute force to the Wi-Fi network. So let's get into the work. We are using crunch tool for this method. So type crunch and we need to comment the tool what is the minimum and the maximum length of the password. So we are typing 3 as a minimum and 5 as a maximum. Then comment the tool what types of password combination we want to create, like numbers, letters, or special characters. Then we are typing -o for output the password and typing the name of the file where we want to save the password. Then press enter and the password will be created and saved in the file. But now I create a demo password that you can understand better. After that, we will work on the real one. So let's move. And this is the password list that we created using all combination of 3 to 5 characters. And now we are deleting this because this one is a demo. And now we are creating another one in advanced way. If we know something about victim, then we can apply this method. Like if we know about the victim password length, then we can type in the command line minimum and maximum length. And if we know victim's birthday, birth year, or any special day or special person's name or company name, or anything related to the secret or special that victims could be using the password, then we can apply these characters that we already know as first 4 or 5 characters or last 4 or 5 characters. And if you think this is complicated to understand what I am talking for, then let's see in practical. And now we are doing copy and paste the same command that we did before, and only changing and using the characters that we don't know about victim password and typing @ as that characters that we don't know but we want to know. Okay, here we're going to create only 5 characters password list for test purpose that you can understand easily. So press enter, then password will be saved in the output file. This is the password list we created, and now we are deleting this file because this one is also a demo file. And now I'm going to tell you the benefit of this advanced method. This is the method for creating the password so fast. Like if we know some parts of that password, we could make it short. When the password is so long, like 15 or 20 characters, we only need to find out which part of that password we don't know. Like password is 15 characters and we already know 5 of them. Then we have to go only for 10 characters. And it's much easier and time consuming than 15 characters, right? Makes sense. Now we are going for the real one that we need to crack. Suppose we know the password length is 13. So we are typing 13 as a minimum and maximum characters, then typing numbers from 1 to 9. You can write any of the numbers from 1 to 9 and 0. It takes more time to create passwords, so I leave it because 0 is not a part of my victim password that I am looking for. You have to write all the numbers and letters that is necessary for your password that you are looking for. And then type letter here. I'm typing what letter is necessary for my password that I'm looking for. Suppose I know a little bit of the victim password, and I am doing this to make it fast in the course video. If you don't know about the victim password characters or you need it, you should type A to Z. Then typing -T option. Then typing what you know about the password. And then typing what you don't know about the password as in @. There are 6 characters that we don't know, so we use 6 @. And we know 7 characters as an Udemy, so we typed, then press enter. It's creating password, but here is a mistake I made. I didn't comment for output file where to save, so it's just creating password, not saving. So I'm correcting my comment again, and typing -o for output and typing directory file name, then press enter. Now it shows password dictionary file will be 224 megabyte and password combination will be more than 16 million, and it's done so quickly. If we want, we can make more password combination, and if we want to make a large number of password dictionary and crack, then we have to spend a long time. It's depend on your need actually. And here, every possible combination has OVDME before the password that is generated. Because of we comment OVDME on the comment line before we created the password, get it? Alright, we knew only 7 characters out of 13 of that password. We didn't know the last 6 characters of that password, but now we know all the characters of that password. So let's check it. Is it here or not? Yeah, it's here on 34,034,312 number line. So we can crack this password after trying this large number of time, and I hope you understand. It sounds complicated, but it's not so much, okay?